Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome to another mini unboxing. Let's see if there's an easier way to open this. Okay, guess not. But at least I know where to cut. I should have opened this beforehand, but whatever. You know how I do these by now if you've been here this long. You know how I roll. And you... Huh. Okay. There we go. Okay. So this is Love and Pop. This is the first live-action film that Hideaki Anno. That's hard to say sometimes. Well, anyway, it's the first live-action film that he ever made, he ever directed. And yeah, this was right after, well, I don't know about right after, but after Evangelion, at least. A good couple years after. So yeah, I had meant to watch this online. Unfortunately, the free video had been taken down by that point, which sucks. There should really be more copies of this readily, you know. So anyway, yeah, the only way for me to experience this was to buy the DVD. And it sucks that this is so rare because I feel like, okay, gotta do this as carefully as possible. All right, the disc is in pretty good condition, really good condition. Carefully. There we go. Anyway, yeah, there are a lot of really good Japanese movies from the past couple decades. I unfortunately do not have DVD copies, and then there are some that do, but they're not really widespread. Like this one cost me almost $200. And, you know, these movies should really be more readily available, not just on physical media, but also, you know, just in general. But anyway, yeah, this has been on my radar for a while, and really looking forward to finally watching this.